Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact TokenPocket by email. If you want to contact TokenPocket via email, then follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, launch Open TokenPocket application from your app drawer. You can also visit the TokenPocket website on a web browser. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, look for an option that says Contact Us or Connect Us and tap on it. Go ahead and send a message by typing it down in the text box. Clearly, explain your inquiry, question, or issue and provide any relevant details or information that may help TokenPocket assist you effectively. Once you are done, go ahead and tap on the Send button in blue at the top right-hand corner. And then, that is the way how you can contact TokenPocket by email. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.